Hey, it's Susan Berkley from GreatVoice.com, and this week on the Inside Voiceover video training blog, we're going to talk about how to practice to grow your voiceover career. Because here's the problem. If you just sit there in your home studio all day reading scripts into the microphone, you're really not going to progress properly because you're not working off of a model. You have no criteria for judging yourself, which spots are good and which ones still need some work. So here's what I suggest. It's a method I call tape and ape. We're actually not taping anymore, but we're working with recordings of actual commercials on television, radio, or even YouTube. So you take the spot, which is the commercial, you transcribe it, you have now the script, and you try to imitate the voice talent that got paid for doing that work. Word for word, line for line, you imitate their timing, you imitate the flow, you imitate the acting skills. And you're recording yourself, so you now have two recordings, the original and the one that you did. You compare the two. And that's how you practice. It's extremely effective. I also suggest you keep a practice log, and just so you can track how often you're doing it, and you practice the same time every day to build momentum. I hope that's helpful, and I'll be back next week with more Inside Voiceover.